Hey guys, Future Gamecore here. Just wanted to say Merry Christmas to all of you, and if you made it this far in the video, leave a Christmas emoji down in the comments. Hope you enjoy your Christmas and New Year's, guys. Bye. Oh, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another game. Today we are playing Sonic X Shadow Generations. This is Shadow's version of it. Sonic's version is a separate part. I'm just gonna not talk through this. Hope you enjoy. It's just the intro, and I will continue talking whenever the gameplay starts. Enjoy.
Can we wake him up now? Can I meet him?
I believe so, yes. It is time to awaken the ultimate life. Welcome to the world, Shadow the Hedgehog.
What happened?
Shadow, this is Rouge. Do you copy?
Oh, I remember this from
Shadowy.
Sonic Generations. That's where all they like disappear into like a
Are
portal.
you still aboard the Ark?
Yes, I arrived at the space colony an hour ago.
Well, you're missing the birthday party. I hope you're planning on being here.
I already told you. Gunn detected an unusual biosignature aboard the Ark. I'm not leaving until I eliminate any possible threat.
There's free food.
Oh. Okay, I think this is the gameplay. I have no idea how to play this game. I played it on PS3, not PS4.
There.
Oh no. Well, guys, this is start of the gameplay. Enjoy. I'm gonna try and get as high ranking as I can on every single level in a certain amount of time. So I'm not gonna make this a long video for you all. Oh, these movements are absolutely sick. Okay. Ah, crap, that was not good.
Let's do this. Chaos control.
Oh, that pauses it. Oh crap. Oh no, I fell. Oh, great. We're gonna try it again.
Got you now. I won't let you get away.
Okay. Try it again. Whoa, secret. Oh, that's a little cool area. Oh wow, I'm doing a lot better on this one.
All right. Freeze.
Whoa. Okay, that was a bit harder than I thought. Whee! Okay, it's fun. Woohoo! Oh crap, I lost someone. I don't think I'm gonna get, you know.
Dude, this is my ultimate power.
Oh, I did it! I'm doing okay, actually.
All right. Freeze.
I'm doing alright. Whoa. I'm doing okay, I'm doing okay. This might not be an S.
Chaos control.
This might not be an S tier. Hopefully it is broken and fine. Huh? Tunnel. Oh my god! Die! Punched a giant bullet. Okay. Whoa. Cool. Woohoo! The gameplay in this is awesome. Oh no. It's awesome as hell. Okay, I'm not doing great. There's a low chance of me getting a what do you call it? S tier. Oh crap, I'm stuck. Did I get stuck? Yeah, I did. I'm sorry. Great. Okay, I made it to around here. I died again. I'm gonna try to do this again. Zip. Okay. What? Why is it making me do this again? Oh, that's why I missed the flip side. Okay, so this is probably going to take time off my thing, which is not good. Okay, I think we got to about here before I died with the chaos characters. Okay, rock here. Chaos control just so I can freeze time. Ooh, this is new. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. I see you, I see you. This is cool as hell. Whee! Whee! Okay, there's a chance I might not make it. Huh? Doom's Eye? What's that? Whoa. Cool. What the heck is he doing? He's like manipulating literal space? Whoa. What the hell? What kind of Doctor Strange stuff is this? Strange? Where the hell is Doom's Eye? What kind of lore am I missing here? Come here, boy. Creation? You didn't create it. Or is he talking about this area? No, I missed it. Crap. I'm not. This is definitely going to be with me, or even at A to be honest. Not great. Okay, okay. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. Whoa. Whoa, what the hell? Disorientation much? What the hell? Oh, the building is all weird.
The promised time will arrive once more.
Ah. Why is everything purple? Oh, okay. I'm not gonna make it. So.
You cannot deny your fate.
Die, man. Uh-oh. Oh, I just have to hit these back at him. Okay. You're pretty weak. I just... hit you 5 times. You just leave? What? Okay. Oh no, weird.
So what I was tracking was him.
Huh.
I won't let him escape.
Dude, what's happening? Okay, we completed it, but I don't think that's good. Oh, wait. Oh, we got an A. I'll take A. I will take A on the first level. Nice. A for first level, that's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Okay, what's the next level? I'm only going to do 2 levels, guys, and if you want, just ask me down in the comments for another level if you want it. Ooh, chaos armor. If you want another Sonic Shadows Generations episode, let me know down in the comments. And I will happily provide.
Distinguishing between the two of them.
What the hell? Huh? Like, that's the dude from Sonic Generations. That's the guy that, like, took Sonic his whole team. I remember that. Yeah, see? That's what, like, and they were like, this oldest white area and all that. See? Same thing. It's cool. Space Colony Arc. Huh? It is mighty confusing. Whoa. That's cool. Oh, I think Light Door ranking it. Okay, that's cool. So I have to get an S to rank it up. What the hell did that do? Oh no! It opened an eye. That is... ooh, I do not like that. Okay, so... what do I do now? What is it? Oh. It's level? Oh, act! Okay. Well, I guess we're doing the Space Colony Act for the first one, and you guys... let me know if you want to see the other one. Okay. Okay. Oh no, it's 2D. Oh, this feels weird. Ugh. Weird. No, listen.
Alright. Chaos control!
Uh-oh. Close. Wee! Woo! That was close. This is cool. Whoa! What is this? Okay, that was weird. Oh, I see. Okay, again. Weird. Whoa. Whoa! Oh, I got a collectible. Okay. We're doing pretty good for this one. Ha. Chaos Spear? Huh? What? How's Chaos Spear? Oh man. How's Chaos Spear?
Alright. Chaos control!
Ah. Okay, we lost a bit of time. Let me through. Whoa. Oh no, it's not this guy again. Is it? Whoa, what the hell? I'm like being absorbed. Why the hell do I have wings? Huh?
Is this power?
Wow, this is definitely getting more time. Oh crap, I've lost my way.
The ultimate power.
You might not do okay on this. Please give me something good. Please. Oh. Ooh. Oh, S! Yes! Let's go! S, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm just gonna see what's next, and then I will end the video. Do not worry. Don't worry. Let's see what we got next, boys and girls. Okay.
What was that new power?
Cutscene.
I've never done anything like that before.
I know.
It's not something I should
You
normally
should have a
be able
gun,
to
right?
do, yet it felt natural.
Where's his gun?
What could be causing these mutations?
Could be the Doomsday. Maybe. How was that? Castle. Well, find out what that is later. Ooh, it's fully unlocked. Cool, nice. Okay, what the hell is that? What is that? Huh? Is that a power-up or something? Doom Gear. Doom Gears can unlock special powers locked inside power-stealing devices. Oh, that's what that is.
Something calls to me.
Ooh. Okay. This does show. What the hell? Dooms are. Whoa! The same stuff from before.
No.
I thought this was gonna. I thought this was hurting him. Hell? Ooh! Moon spears. Huh. Cool. Shoot multiple chaos spears. Okay.
Out of my way.
Ooh. Cool. Well guys, you know what that means. I just showed you what the new thing is, and you will be seeing more of it if you choose to see this again by letting me know down in the comments. And that's all from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!